We are pleased to show you the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.